Compare and order rational numbers. Compare 5/10 and -3 using the number line. Step 1. Graph the numbers. Use positive and negative integers to help you locate the decimals. 5/10 is between 0 and 1. Here is 5/10. -3 is negative, so it is to the left of 0. Here is -3. So 5/10 is greater than -3 because 5/10 is to the right of -3. Compare -2 and 1/4 and 1 and 1/2 using the number line. Step 1. Graph the numbers. Use positive and negative integers to help you locate the fractions. -2 and 1/4 is between -2 and -3. Here is -2 and 1/4. 1 and 1/2 is between 1 and 2. Here is 1 and a half. So -2 and 1/4 is less than 1 and a half because 1 and a half is to the right of -2 and 1/4. Compare the numbers. Write less than or greater than. -7/10 is 7/10 to the left of 0. -1 and 1/8 would be 1 whole unit, and then 1/8 of a unit more to the left of 0. Because -0.7 or -7/10 is to the right, it is greater. Number 2, 3/10 compared to -4 and 6/10. 3/10 would be to the right of 0, and -4 and 6/10 would be to the left of 0. Because 3/10 is to the right of -4 and 6/10, it is greater. Question number 3. -1/4 compared to 3 and 2/10. 3 and 2/10 is to the right of 0, and -1/4 is to the left of 0. Therefore, 3 and 2/10 is greater. Question number 4. -5/8 compares to -2 and 1/2. So both of these numbers are going to be to the left of 0. -5/8 will just be 5/8 of a unit away from 0, and -2 1/2 will be even further away from 0. -5/8 will be to the right of 2 1/2, so it is a larger number. Order the numbers from least to greatest. Question number 5, 1 and 3/10, -4 and 1/5, -1/2. 1 and 3/10 is written to the right of 0. -4 and 1/5 is written to the left of 0. -1/2 would fall between -4 and 1/5 and 0. Because they would like us to write from least to greatest, we are going to write our numbers from left to right. -4 and 1/5 is the least of these numbers, followed by -1/2, and then 1.3. Question number 6. -2.5, -9/10, and 1. 1 is our only positive number, and it falls to the right of 0. It's going to be our greatest value. -2.5 falls the furthest away from 0 on our number line. -9/10 is in between 0 and -2.5. So -2.5 is the least, followed by -9/10, and 1 is our greatest number. Question number 7. 2, 2 2/3, -3 and 2/10. -3 and 2/10 is our only negative number. Therefore, it will be the least of the three numbers. It falls on the left side of 0 on our number line. 2 would be on the right, and 2 2/3 would be on the right of 2. So 2 is less than 2 2/3.